Hi there, this is Abhishek here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to review this Wahl Travel Saver Trimmer and I will let you know whether you should buy it or you must ignore it. I will also show you by live trimming test my beard. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Once we open the box, here you will find a very beautiful case that is very good quality. And here is a few user manual. Now while opening the case inside the box, first of all you are going to see the trimmer overall quality is looking quite good. I will let you know more about this trimmer after few minutes. Other than this trimmer, you are also going to get 2-pin charging adapter, 1 cleaning brush and 2 extra pairs of blade as well. That sound really good. So these are all the accessories that you are going to find inside the box of Wahl Travel Saver. Alright guys, this is the Wahl Travel Saver. As you can see, it is very small in size. You can easily carry it on your pocket and travel anywhere you want. So the overall quality is really looking great, and this is the cap. Once you remove it, this is a foil saver that allows you to do the clean shave. You cannot trim your beard at different settings like other trimmers. At the front end side, you are going to see the Wahl branding. Here you will also going to find the charging indicator. At the bottom they have given the charging port via which you can charge this trimmer. If we talk about the charging time, it is 8 hours, and once you do the complete charge, max to max you will get 45 minutes of battery backup. This is only a cordless trimmer, you cannot use it directly connected to the power adapter. The upper section of the trimmer, it is very easy to remove. You can remove it something like this, and inside this is the blade. If you pull slightly like this, the blade is going to come out very easily. Inside this you are going to get a white color motor, and here only there is a small hole, right? So in this simple hole you have to put this blade something like this, and as you can see the blade is fixed successfully. Now once the blade gets fixed, you can attach the upper portion of the trimmer, and that's it, you are ready to trim your beard. Now it's time to do the live trimming test, but before that I would like to let you know this is not a sponsored video. I have purchased this trimmer just to let you know whether you should buy it or you should ignore it. So if you want to support my channel, you can buy this trimmer from the link given in the description section below. If you buy from my link, it is also going to help my channel, plus you will also get it at the best price as well. Alright guys, finally I have trimmed my beard directly with the help of this Wahl foil saver, and the performance is just outstanding. Let me show you the close-up look. As here you can see, this foil saver is able to do the perfect clean shave, and it is also a very much skin friendly. So if you are planning to buy this foil saver, it is highly recommended. You are not going to regret once you buy it, but make sure you should not use it on your long hair. If you are using it on short hair, it can trim your beard very easily and very smoothly as well. I hope you have found this video helpful. Then kindly hit the like button, and if you are planning to buy this foil saver, kindly buy it from the link given in the description section below. If you buy from my link, it will help my channel, plus you will also get it at the best price as well. If you are new here, do subscribe it and also hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.